The effects of acute dark chocolate consumption on memory and concentration. Chocolate is a major part of Western society. Who do you know that hasn't tried chocolate before? An ingredient in chocolate is cocoa beans, which there has been an increased interest in a substance known as flavanol. Many researchers have presented information saying that eating chocolate with cocoa flavanol has health benefits, including increased blood flow, decreased memory loss, and preventing certain diseases. We decided to do this experiment because it is a big part of Western culture. Our aim was to see if eating dark chocolate improves memory and concentration. We thought that consuming dark chocolate would improve this in healthy young adults. In our experiment, we had 9 participants and 1 experimenter. The participants were split into 3 groups, 3 people in each. People were asked to avoid certain foods high in flavanols, such as coffee, chocolate, tea, and tropical fruits. The process of the experiment was explained to each participant and they had to sign a consent form. This was approved by the La Trobe University Human Ethics Committee. During the experiment, participants either consumed dark chocolate, white chocolate, or no chocolate. These groups were then rotated over the 3 sessions. The participants waited 1 hour after consumption and then completed the tests. The 2 cognitive tasks were free recall, which tests for memory, and the vigilance task, which tests concentration. On completion of the cognitive tests, there was no significant change found from either the free recall or vigilance tasks. While we didn't find a change, many researchers did. Much research has looked at the ways flavanol affects the body to increase memory and concentration. A recent experiment showed consuming dark chocolate improved memory in healthy students at a higher extent than consuming white chocolate or no chocolate. This was also found in another experiment which found consuming chocolate was better for memory and concentration. Other researchers looked at different concentrations of cocoa flavanols. Results found that there was an increase in memory after higher consumption of chocolate. Some limitations of this study may include participants consuming coffee prior to testing, different types of cocoa bean, and lastly, participants were unblinded as the color of the chocolate was visible to them. In the future, we suggest these studies to be looked at in the long term, also looking at different concentrations of flavanol, as well as potentially looking at the different active ingredients found in cocoa and the combinations of these ingredients. Thanks for watching!